the cabin filters behind the glove box on these 4th generation GM products. Squeeze the glove box in and drop it down, no tools required. Gain access to the filter by bending the little tab to the right and sliding the cover to the left. And then you can pull out the filter with your fingers if they're pretty nimble. I used a little pick, and then I replaced it with an AC Delco CF185, which there are a lot of substitutes and aftermarket equivalents. You want the air filter arrows pointing down for proper airflow and filtration, and then the cover goes back on by sliding it to the right and then snapping it in place. When I dropped the box, I hadn't disconnected this little strut first where it connects to the box, so it came apart. And it's a pretty easy fix, but not easy to do with it in place here. I finagled with it for a little bit, and then I ended up just taking this little strut bore out of where it mounts, which is just on a little stem or post there in the glove box housing, and then disconnected it from the box on the lower end and reassembled it, snapped it together, and then hung it back in place. That lower of the 2 holes mounts onto the little stem, and once it's snapped in, I was able to mount the glove box back on the little hinge posts on the bottom, and then connect the strut to the box. And that was kind of the most tricky part of this otherwise simple job. I do have part and tool links in the video description. I hope you found this useful. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you like and subscribe.